show you. Very nice movie, guys. Um, Captain America Brave New World. Oy, I watched that BGs. Captain America. I watched Captain America biggest. It's very nice. Nice. Captain America Brave New World. Hello Love Again on Netflix. I did not. I will see if I can. Wait, I will Netflix. Okay, I will try in Netflix. Netflix. If they are in Netflix. Ay. No, 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 Netflix. I think it's not here yet. In the Netflix. Not yet. Hello, love. No, not yet. Film Philippines. Nothing. Nothing here. Yeah, not yet. But I watched in the cinema last Friday. Captain American Brave New World. So nice, guys. Very nice. Not yet here in my... Not yet. Yes, Philippine movie. Come here in UAC, new movie. Maybe in October, I will be there in New York. I have some friend invited me in their wedding. Maybe I can go there. But not yet, but I try, I will go. How's what's the name? The other one biggest our friend in YouTube. The one that married also a Filipina. The one that always up in my live. He's living also in the USA. I forgot Melvin. Yeah, Melvin. How's Melvin? And the other one. What's the name? That the wife from Davao? Z. Also, what's the name? The other one? The crazy one. The buang. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I will be here in a song. I'll be here. Nabukbog na akong kape. Clay, yeah, Clay 5. How's Clay no? Maybe the wife is pregnant. Thank you. He about to dad. Oh, the wife is pregnant? How about the one in Finland? I forgot. Biliran. Oh yeah, I did not know that. Oy, congratulations to Clay. my supporters from USA also, guys. Type your name.